Hey everyone, let's make healthy high protein blueberry muffin which packs over 20 grams of protein per serving while being only 126 calories per muffin. These are so easy to make and a great way to use protein powder into your healthy breakfast muffins. So without any delay, let's get started with the recipe. So simply start by taking unsweetened applesauce in a mixing bowl. Next goes thick Greek yogurt, coconut oil, honey, and finally some vanilla extract for the flavor. Now sieve the dry ingredients. First goes oats flour, baking soda, baking powder and protein powder. I'll whisk all the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. And finally I'll fold in the blueberries. Do not overmix the batter, you want it thick and lump free. Now evenly distribute the muffin batter into your lined muffin dish and bake these muffins at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 11 to 14 minutes. And these muffins are finely baked. These are so healthy and look so delicious. So adding protein powder into your muffins is such a healthy way to include high protein into your regular diet. This always keeps you satisfied for such a long time. They are so much better than those bakery style blueberry muffins which are just loaded with sugar. So forget those and make your own.
Hope you like the recipe for this healthy blueberry muffins. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, post it in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and have a great day.